Hi there, little sister. What a beautiful morning. Oh, yes, it will be a hot day. We have to quickly water our vegetable garden. Whatever you say, little sister. Let's do all the work in the very morning and then go play. Okay. Oh, it seems like we are out of water. What we'll do? Oh, our poor vegetable garden. Till the evening, everything will dry up. Don't cry, sister. We can deal with that. What has happened, guys? We are out of water. What will we do then? Our seedlings will dry up without watering. Don't worry, friends. I have a big tank in the vehicle body. I will go to the river and bring you some water. And I will pour water in the watering can. Let's go faster. We have to hurry up. How can I get the water if I can't swim? Granny boat! Granny boat!
Who's calling me?
It's me, little Granny boat. We need your help. Fire truck can't swim.
Oh, well, I will show you, my little.
Move down to the water and slowly swim after me. Banzai! Don't splatter and move slowly. Oh! Oh! Hurrah! Whoa, it's so nice that since now we will swim together. I have the tank full of water. Now we have to go back to our friends. Thank you, Granny Bot. Let's hurry. Whoa, thank you, little cars. That's it. We have made a beautiful job. Now let's swim together.
Hello, Police hearing. Why don't you say anything? What's happening today? There is such a strange smell.
Are you out of your minds? Why the head is spinning so much? I feel so easily that I even want to dance. What's wrong with you guys? What a smell! Oh, it looks like everyone's got poisoned. Where did the smell come from? Why there is so much trash in the city? The smell comes from it. We must clean everything up without delay. Where is Cleanery? terrible headache. Thanks, Leah. What was it? All the city was littered. The trash produced that strange smell. Toma might have been carrying out experiments and then threw the chemical reagents into the trash again? I didn't mean it. Cleanery has always been cleaning everything. And where is Cleanery gone?
We should go and find him.
Hapshi! Bless you. What has happened to you, Cleanery? Oh, I feel so bad. The head is spinning. I'm sneezing. I can't go anywhere at all. I see. We are going to treat you. I have complete courses and I could have been a nurse by far. Right now, we'll measure the temperature. Oh, well, I need to give a jab. No way! I'm so afraid of jabs. Hold on tight. Everyone go out. Do not disturb me. It doesn't hurt. That's all. I didn't even feel anything. You are doing great. Thank you. I felt so much better now. How are you, Cleanery? Thank you. I feel much better. Get well soon, because we won't go with everything by ourselves. Hi there, little Camas. Camas, where you going? In pursuit. I'm in a hurry. The ice cream is beginning to run. A big drought has begun in Africa. Thus, all the animals are suffering from heat. And I'm going to bring them some ice cream. We're going with you. Yes, in a trice. Dear train, I have to get to the Africa as soon as possible. Oh, youth, get in. I'll give a ride. I'm coming. Granny Bot, we have to be quick. All right. That's it. We seem to be in a place. Don't move. Anyone who will move will be punished with my axe. Who are you? We are the cars. We brought some ice cream for the animals. Oh, I'm a famous hunter, also known as Balmalay. And I do like ice cream very much. Let me taste it. Oh, God! Hunter has escaped. Hi there, guys. Let's go with us. We'll show you the meadow. Oh, guys, how many different animals. Thank you, friends. You saved our lives. Now we are not afraid of this heat. Hello, guys. Let's play knights. Huh? Let's play. And how can we play them? I call knight of orange raincoat. I call knight of green raincoat. Then I call knight of blue raincoat. Every knight should have his own castle. I will build my castle of red brick, and I will hang out a flag on it. Then I will build my castle of green brick. Then I will build my castle of blue brick. My castle is the highest and the most beautiful. Whoa, let me see. No, you can't. Every knight should have his own land fenced in walls around the castle. This is my land. It's private territory and now off limits. Then I will have my own territory too. So there. Yes, and I will. And what is more, none of knights can exist without his lady love. My lady love will be Fire Truck. No, Fire Truck is my lady love. Mine too. Then the knights should fight for their lady love at the tournament. Arm yourselves with spears and put on the armor. And let the crowd gather at the square. Boys, are you out of your minds? We didn't even gather the apples, and you are playing with toys. Oh, much for me.